Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about your bonus. So I want to give this kiss jacking as a bonus if you go and buy this product from my link below. I'll talk about how you can get it, but what this kiss jacking is if you want to find out, then first of all you have to go below the YouTube video you're watching and then find the link which says grab kiss jacking. Click on that link, come to this page here, and then you can scroll down and you can see that we made this kind of sales, all these sales, and this money came from free YouTube videos, just like the one I'm recording right now. Okay, so if you want to know how you can start this as a total, as a total beginner, if you don't know anything about YouTube, you're not tech savvy, if you want to know a step by step, then I can give you this kiss jacking course, which is for 2 hours and 9 minutes long, as you can see here. Okay, so I'll send you this 2 hours long video, which is kiss jacking. You can get this for free if you go and buy this product, which I'm doing the review for. You can get this kiss jacking totally for free if you buy from my link. Okay. Now you can do this in two ways. Either you go and buy the product from my link, or else you can come to kiss jacking directly. And in that case, you can buy it in $17. Okay. So let's say if you want to buy the product which I'm reviewing, go and buy from my link that product. In that case, I'll send you case checking for free, this 2 hours long video. But let's say if you say, I don't want to buy this product which you're reviewing, in that case you can go and buy this in $17. It's up to you. Okay, so sometimes it will happen that the product which I'm reviewing, you may not want it, or it might not be worth it, but you may want to buy it just because you want case checking for free. Okay, so you have two options. You go and buy this product which I am doing the review for, below my you'll find a link below my video. Go and buy from my link, and then once you have purchased it, it will look something like this. After the payment, it will say access your purchase here, and it says access affiliate bonus. Okay, so once you click on access affiliate bonus on Warrior Plus, you will see that 2 hour long video which I'll send to you. And if you buy it from Zavizu, then go and figure it out. Okay, so if you want to buy this product and you want to get cash jacking, then go and grab the copy from a link below, and then click on this thing here, and you will get to see this 2 hours long cash jacking tutorial. Okay, otherwise you can come here and simply buy this in $17 without buying this product which I'm doing the review for. I hope we are clear. Okay, so let's do a quick recap before we start the video. Go below my video, click on the link which says grab cash jacking copy. Come to this page here, check these proofs. All this money was made just by making these free videos. If you want this tutorial, you can get this in two ways. Either you directly can buy this in $17 from my website here. You can go and click on this buy now button, wherever the button is, and pay $17 directly to me. Get cash jacking this tutorial here, or else go and grab this product which I am doing the review for, whether you want the product or not. But if you want cash jacking, then go and buy that product, and you will get this as a bonus totally for free in your bonus section. Okay, and one more thing here, if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized in as little as 30 days, or you want those 4,000 subscribers and 1,000 watch hours in 15 days, then check out this thing called Make Money on YouTube. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can contact me on the email. If you can't find your bonus, you can drop me an email and I can send you the video in email as well. Once you have sent me your confirmation receipt that you bought from my link. Okay, so I guess we are clear. If you want cash checking for free, go and buy the product from my link. Otherwise, if you want cash checking, then go and buy directly from this website. Okay, so I'll see you hopefully inside, and let's start the review. All right, so this is Affiliate Store AI sales page, and you can see the discounts you can get for $3 off. So when you try to leave the page, this will pop up, and you can carry on with this Affiliate Store AI now here, and you will get the $3 off. Okay, and for now, I'm closing it so that we can get back to the sales page where it says tap into Amazon's this much blah blah blah. Well, you don't have to look at anything else other than the demo video. Okay, so I'll show you the demo video, which is just right here, 3 minutes 46 seconds long. We'll get back to that, but let's get done with the rest of the sales page here. And if we have any frequently asked questions, let's go through that. As usual, the sales page is pretty lengthy. For what reason, nobody knows. So let's get to the bottom like that. And these are the questions. So, do I need an experience? Of course not. Is there any monthly cost? No. How long does it take to make money? Well, it's clear. Do I need to purchase anything else? No. What if I failed? How can I get started? Okay. So don't mix these things with making money online. Okay. Making money online is not based on some $17 product. Okay. So if you buy this in, let's say, $15 right now after getting that $3 discount, you click here and you buy, what you will get is the store. So let's find that demo video again, which we had before. There you go. Okay. So I'm going to mute it and then we'll watch the demo video. Let me just play the video while we talk, and full screen now. So you can see you will be creating some affiliate store sites hosted on their hosting, I guess, or you can also add custom domains. So you will get to see all that in this demo video. And yeah, if you know go and buy, then just go and buy from the link below. You will find the link below my YouTube video saying grab affiliate store AI copy here. Click on that link, and then you will get kiss jacking copy free as well, as as I have explained in the beginning. Okay. So if you want to buy affiliate store and you want to get my bonus, go and buy from my link, or else you can go and buy kiss jacking directly from my website, as I explained before. And there are few more links below my YouTube video. You have to go and check them out, such as swing trading on automation, stuff like that. Okay. Because those things are really, real, which I have done and tested in last 5 years. So you want to do those things which actually makes money, rather than buying something, which just promises unrealistic things. Okay. So if the software says that, you can buy me and just make some websites with it, then it makes sense. But as long you say, oh, you buy me and then start making so much money, I have a problem with that. Okay. So as you can see in the demo video, the only job of the software is to make these stores, to make these websites. Okay. What will you do with those websites after that? It's entirely up to you. If you can bring people to your affiliate store and if they buy something, then only you make some money. Otherwise, this will just stay in your computer just like any other digital product. Okay. But looks like, the websites are good looking to me. It's the matter of how do you bring traffic to these pages or to these websites. Okay. So you have seen the demo video how, how these websites look like after you create them. Next features are blogs, AI, and some image editor you will see in the demo video as well in next few seconds. Okay. So entirely up to you. If you want to get affiliate store just because you want my bonus cash jacking, then go and buy this product from my link below. And if you only want cash jacking, then go and buy directly. Otherwise, also check out those links which says get 100 leads or swing trading and automation, because I have tried everything in my digital marketing career. I have done affiliate marketing, forex trading, this email marketing, YouTube. I'm doing, as you can see. Okay. And everything I have done has made me money. Okay. The point which you're missing here is you have to come you have to come out of that mindset in which you think that you don't have to do anything and you just make money. Okay. I have invented that thing. I'll talk about that in a moment after this demo video is done. Okay. Because in the last 4 years, I have done manual trading, and in the end, after 3 months, in the last 3 months, sorry. So in the recent last 3-4 months, I have used my knowledge to put everything into automation. So whatever I have done for 4 years in trading manually, I have done all that put together in the software into a robot. All my human knowledge into a robot, automatically happens everything. So you will get to see all of that when I will tell you the link below my video. Okay. So I guess we are nearly done with the demo video. So let's see what happens here. So you have seen what is happening in this affiliate store AI. If you want this, go and buy from my link below. You will also get the bonus. Otherwise, you can buy cash checking if you want to. Otherwise, my recommendation is if you are that person who just wants to do nothing and literally want to make money on autopilot, then check out that link below my video which says swing trading automation. I think we are done here. And then the price is $15 to start with if you get a discount. And then coming back here, you will have some kind of OTOs here. So you can see $15 here. And then OTO 1 is now 197, downstairs is 497, OTO 2 is this, OTO 3, 4, 5 is this, okay? So I am not interested into any of this because I have my own methods which makes me money, okay? But if you want to buy this affiliate store AI, go and use my link below and get your bonus as well. But below my video, you will have these very, very important links, okay? So these links which you see, all these 4 links, these are my 5 years of experience, my own products, okay? Keep checking, you know about it. Swing trading and automation. This is for people who actually don't want to do anything and they want their money to work on autopilot, okay? Because in this one, I have transferred my human knowledge into a robot and that belongs to me. That robot is designed, manufactured by me only, okay? So if you want to really check out how to make money while sleeping, check out the swing trading and automation. And then this is for email marketing and last one is for YouTube, okay? So go and check out these real links which makes real money, all right? People who are making these YouTube reviews, apart from me, there are many people on YouTube who do these reviews. They're not fools, they're not idiots, okay? They know the only way they can make money is if they can sell something. How do you sell? You come on YouTube, you make a video. If somebody will buy from your video, they will make money, okay? So there's no such system in $20 which you can buy and then you'll start making money. That doesn't happen in real life, okay? So that is why you come, you sell in YouTube, you make money. For example, again, if you buy from me, I'll make money, you will make nothing, okay? So you have to be very realistic here. If you want to go and buy this affiliate store, I nobody's stopping you. Go and buy. I'll make money first. If you will make money or not, nobody knows, okay? So if you want cash hacking as a bonus for free, then buy affiliate store AI from my link. Otherwise, go and check out these methods and every method which I have listed here, apart from affiliate store AI, okay? Every method which you see here, these 4 methods, every single method has made me money in last 5 years, okay? So go and check them out and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe, like, do whatever you like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.